Hey guys, welcome to Baby Chick channel. I am Nina the Baby Chick and we just got the Stroll, Sleep and Ride Orbit travel system. We're gonna check out today their infant car seat, but be sure to subscribe so you can see the full travel system later. But let's get started.
I have been really looking forward to testing out the Orbit Baby G5 Plus travel system. And again, in this video, we are just looking at the car seat and base and sharing our experience. These were the things that I found inside the box. First, a dust bag for the car seat and base, which I think is really nice for storage. Of course, there is the G5 Plus car seat and its base with the infant insert and head support, as well as the manual and helpful instruction booklets so you know how it all works, its cool features, and how to properly install it. When first testing out the infant car seat, I had to see how it rotates into position in the car seat base. It actually is extremely easy to do. All you have to do is pull the side levers while rotating it in the direction that you need. It's that simple. Now to install it. The G5 Plus car seat base actually allows you to install it in two different ways, the latch system or a seatbelt. I'm first testing it out using the latch system. You'll first remove the connector buckles and thread them through the belt guides. Then connect to your lower anchors in the seat of your car, and you'll do this on both sides and want to make sure that there are no twists in the belt when you're connecting. Once they are buckled in into the lower anchors, you'll remove all the excess webbing from the belt, then press that little button to help remove the excess webbing, just as I did, and pull tightly. After that, turn the strong arm knob a few turns and check the base. You'll also want to check the level indicator to ensure that it's green and no red is visible. Keep turning the knob until it is securely installed and the seat doesn't move more than 1 inch in either direction. The other way you can install the car seat base is with a seatbelt. Take the seatbelt and pass it through the belt guides on the belt path and through the belt lock-off. You'll open that belt lock-off and pass through there and then buckle the seatbelt into the seat. Then, once you have that done, make sure there are no twists in the belt. When using a seatbelt for a car seat installation, I always like to pull the seatbelt until it activates the automatic locking retract. And after that, I remove any excess webbing from the seatbelt and then close the belt lock off by pressing the top of it down securely. Next, you'll begin turning the strong arm knob until the base is securely installed and doesn't move more than 1 inch in either direction. Now that the base is installed, let's look at the car seat. I love how easy it is to put in the car seat. Just press the side levers and it attaches to the base in any direction. To rotate the seat, you'll pull those side levers again and move it in whichever direction you need to easily put in or take out your baby from the seat. I like how everything is easy to remove and the fabrics are machine washable. The canopy also has a full coverage UV sunshade with a paparazzi shield extension for extra protection. Just pull it over and around the front of the car seat and then tuck it away into the sunshade when you no longer need it. It's a cool hidden feature to keep things private for your little one. Of course, the Orbit Baby G5 Plus car seat has an ultra secure 5-point harness, and the seat comes with an infant insert and head support. Use them to improve the harness fit with your infant and then remove them when you no longer need it. Other features that I love are the magnetic buckle holders for easy in and out harnessing, the adjustable car seat headrest height with multiple positions. It's super simple to adjust with this lever. Just pull up and down and choose the perfect headrest height to get the safest fit for your child as they grow. Again, I love how it rotates and it's not complicated at all to maneuver. This just saves my back when buckling in my kiddo into the car seat. I also love the soft carrier handle. Oh my goodness, this makes it so much more comfortable to hold and carry the car seat with baby inside. That padding on the arm is awesome. And there's a peekaboo window and vent on the canopy, which is great for visibility for you and great airflow for your baby. Overall, it's a great car seat made with superior materials and state-of-the-art technology. We give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more videos like this.